Guys, if you're buying a business that has a building or just buying a building outright, why even bother doing the due diligence on that building? Why spend the money? I'm Britt from WB Treese Consultants and WBTC3.com, and we want to think today about the value of doing good due diligence on your business or on your property. There's several types of due diligence. There's your financial due diligence, your building due diligence, your land due diligence. There is operational and logistic due diligence. You might even have due diligence on the tenants or on the employees of the business. We specialize in building and land due diligence. There's lots of kind. There's legal and insurance as well. That money spent in that process saves you risk, it saves you worry, and it gives you peace. The money that's invested in the right due diligence, and there's a key word there, the right due diligence, will save you 10 or 100 or 1,000 times down the line in trouble that could be coming. So make sure you do the right due diligence on your property, on your business. Check us out at WBTC3.com. We'd love to help.